Downer and key strategic partners, both Australian and international, believe that we have a way forward and that we can actually help in that change, and we can help in upskilling that workforce, establishing processes and delivering digital tools that will actually be able to enable Defence to implement this approach. From Downer's standpoint, we have an outstanding workforce that has a high level number of veterans that understand the Defence operational need and requirement. And we are committed to developing training continuums to not only upskill our own teams, but really upskill our Commonwealth teams and establish genuine integrated teams to enable, at first, pilot programs, to early adopters, to overall adoption by Defence, and be able to do that quickly.